Hey y'all, this is my video of me doing my makeup and showing you guys our new product of our liquid eyeshadow that we have in the store. It is completely sold out, but we're gonna make a new one, so we're gonna show you how it looks. Don't forget to follow us, Ladies First Fashion. Let's get into it. Okay. This is me doing a whole bunch of extra stuff. You already know. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about my stupidity. Okay. I'm feeling myself a little bit too much because my skin kind of look good here. Okay. Alright. You know you gotta have your hand sanitizer on deck, especially if you're about to touch your face. That's our hand sanitizer that we have on ladiesfirstfashion.com. I'm just gonna add some right there. It is so good for the skin. It actually feels pretty good, and you know how it has that alcohol-y scent to it, but it still smells really good. All right, and then I have my elf here, about to apply that on. Just that primer. It's a poreless primer, I believe. Yes, and it's really good. Overall, I feel like it really helps me. And I love it so much, but you know, sometimes it does get a little oily on my skin. Probably have to change it to another one, but this is what I use for this video at least. Alright, I'm just showing you guys how this looks. I'm feeling myself with this a little too much, and I'm just showing you guys this marvelous color on this eyeshadow primer. It is so pigmented, so colorful. If anything, you guys will see how it just like matches so well. I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. Ooh, look at that transition. TikTok showed me best. Okay, but now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some concealer to my eyes as a base. It's really good to do for what I'm trying to do, which is the liquid eyeshadow. If you see me continuously looking up, it's because I'm watching some Full House, and you know, it was getting a little juicy, you know what I'm saying? Jesse, come and get me. I'm playing. But yeah, just showing y'all the top coat, base coat that I'm gonna be using on my eyelids. This is the Tarte palette that I got for holidays. I think it was, yes, it was for Christmas. And yeah, I just love it because the little mirror is so portable. It has like really nice neutral colors, so I'm just using that brown mauve color as like a top coat to the overall look that I'm trying to do for the eyeshadow. As you guys can see, it is super pigmented. Like, we are going to be bringing this back very soon. We sold out of this, and I just really want to just have something like this in just all kinds of shades. I'm going back in with a brush to just lift the color up just a bit on my upper eyelid here, and it just looks marvelous. The color is just so good. I'm going back in with it just a bit to just really keep the color right there on my lower lid. Y'all know this. Y'all know I'm going in with that color just a bit on the top, but I end up you guys will see, yeah, I end up putting another coat on top just to have it like really pigmented on my eyelids, because I just really wanted it to match my hair more than anything. And you guys can see it really does match my hair, which is what I love so very much about this look overall. And the red is just really popping. It's red, but it kind of has like a shimmer to it, and it's like kind of like burgundy a little bit. It's just like it hits in different colors and shades in different lightings, but right here it looks like super like red and everything, but I love it. Alright, gonna go ahead and put on our lashes. You guys see another transition. This one's not that cool as the other one, but hey. Yes, lash on, hey, yeah. Let me stop, okay? But seriously, the lashes on, period. I really love these lashes. We also sell this on our store as well. We still have a few lashes left. I'm gonna go in with the concealer underneath my eyes. Still watching that Full House, you already know. And yeah, just going underneath my eyes. This is NARS. I'm not sure what shade it is, but it'll be in the description. I put all that stuff down below. And yeah, I like using my fingers. I know some people are like, don't use your fingers, but y'all see me put the hand sanitizer on, so don't get it twisted. But I I love using my fingers. I feel like it really just lets me get in there more. This is a L'Oreal Glow Tint, and I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Beauty as well. This one's pretty good. I like this. This is like my long wear that I like to have for my foundation. And yeah, I'm just gonna dab it all over the place, all over my face and everything, and try to just get, you know, a full color look onto my face. I am beating my face down. Oh my goodness. I didn't know I was going OD like that, but oh yes, now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever. Girl, it's upside down. Okay, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever setting powder. I love the ones that are, you know, that go with your shade of your skin, because it just makes it even more of a flawless look onto your face. I feel like the ones that are different skin tones, I feel like you're supposed to use it as like a highlighter as well, but I don't like that. I just like to just have it all over my face. It's like an extra powder to just seal in like the moisture, to not make me look as shiny, because you know I told you that the primer does make me look a bit shiny. So I like to just go back in with this and just like clear it all up, and so it just like seals in that moisture from the concealer and the foundation. Right, I'm going in with my cheeks now, and it looks pretty good. I really love this blush. I've had it forever. It's so nice. It just gives me a nice little flush of pink onto my face, and I think it looks really good with the eyeshadow. You gotta have that glow kit. You gotta have that glow kit. I've had this for the longest time now, and I feel like she is wore down. She is done, but I still love her. I'm not getting rid of her. So y'all can see she's just broken. She's just torn apart. But I love her. She stayed with me forever. I love the colors in there. I probably need to replace it, but she's staying here for now. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Y'all see the glow. You see me. Y'all see the glow. Don't. Oh, you already know the piece de resistance. This is also on our store as well, which is our Princess Dior lip gloss. I think we still have a few of these. If we don't, the closest thing to our clear lip gloss is the For Me. It's the clear lip gloss for me. But yes, this is our Princess Dior that we have, and I love her. She smells like vanilla bean. So good, so luscious. Don't look at my mustache, y'all. Please don't look at her. But just focus on the lips. Just don't worry about her, okay? I wasn't thinking. But yes, she feels so soft on my lips. I love her so much, and Y'all gotta get into it. All of our lip glosses feel that way, to be honest. Here's some Morphe spray. I'm just gonna spray and spritz a few on my face. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, I went OD. I'm sorry. I can't help it, but yeah, this is our finished look. And please follow us. That's me just yelling follow us on Instagram. And yeah, Ladies First Fashion, ladiesfirstfashion.com, the lashes, the everything, you know what I'm saying? Not the makeup, but just, you know, most of the things that I have on my face overall are from our website. And if you guys love this video, please give us a like, please subscribe, and comment down below what else you want us to do for this channel overall. We need a few ideas for videos. And yeah, bye. Hope y'all have a great day. Peace out. Peace out.